A 20-year-old Wichita Falls man accused of firing multiple shots at two people with a stolen AR-15 style assault rifle remains jailed on bonds totaling $60,000. Tyler Ferguson is charged with 2 counts of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon and theft of a firearm. Wichita Falls police responded to gunshots in the 1100 block of Harlan Avenue about 5:45 yesterday afternoon. The 2 victims said a Hispanic male was firing at them with a rifle and they had fled and parked nearby to wait for police. Officers arrived at the house in Harlan and talked to a woman who told them her boyfriend, Ferguson, had fired some shots at the workers and that he had anger issues and a long day at work. A search of the property turned up a spent shell near a shed, and inside the shed, police found the rifle with a round in the chamber and a loaded magazine. The gun was later found to have been reported stolen. The workers told police their truck had been parked partly in the driveway of the house next door, and Ferguson pulled in and accelerated toward them. He then stopped and got out and began yelling at them. After a verbal argument, the workers went back to work and say Ferguson went to the shed, returned with the rifle, and began firing at them. The workers say they got in their truck, and as they sped off, Ferguson continued firing at them. To read more on this story, head over to Texomashomepage.com.